First, open the Start menu and search for Control Panel. Open it. Select Network and Internet, then go to Network and Sharing Center. Now click Change Adapter Settings. Find your Wi-Fi adapter. If it is disabled, right-click it and select Enable. If Wi-Fi is already enabled but still not working, move to the next solution. Right-click the Wi-Fi adapter again and select Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, then click Properties. Select Use the following DNS server addresses and enter Preferred DNS 1.1.1.1, Alternate DNS 1.0.0.1. These are Cloudflare's public DNS servers. Click OK, then close the remaining windows. Now restart your Lenovo laptop and check if the Wi-Fi is working. If the problem is still there, go to Settings, then Network and Internet, select Advanced Network Settings, and choose Network Reset. Click Reset Now and restart your laptop. If Wi-Fi is still not working, let's reset the network using Command Prompt. Option 3. Search for Command Prompt. Right-click it and select Run as Administrator. Now, enter these commands one at a time. ipconfig/release. Press Enter. Then type ipconfig/flushdns. Press Enter. Next, netsha winsock reset. Press Enter. And finally, netsha int ip reset resetlog.txt. Press Enter. Once you're done, type Exit and restart your Lenovo laptop. And that's it! If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Lenovo laptop tips and fixes.